Again, yung pagmamasahe kasi nare-relax ka eh. It's really, really important. It's important to take a step back sa lahat ng trabaho nila.
What wellness habit na dapat gawin ng mga tao ngayon, lalo na kilala ka as a healthy person?
I think you need to work out. I think maraming benefits yung pag-workout talaga. It gives you confidence. Also like strength training. Scientifically, it will make you parang age gracefully, age slower yung strength training. So you have to do that. And of course, like, you also have to take care of your mental health. Diba? Hindi lang puro physical. Dapat meron tayong spiritual, mental, physical, lahat. So emotional. So you have to really work on everything. So pati mental meditation helps. Not overthinking. Again, yung pagmamasahe kasi nare-relax ka eh. It's really, really important. It's important to take a step back sa lahat ng trabaho nila.
Pero ikaw ngayon, ano ng wellness na ginagawa mo sa sarili mo?
Actually, this year, I've started to fall in love with like physical therapy. Lagi ako nagpa-PT. After today, mag-Hyrox ako tapos mag-PT ako after. Just because, mas relax ako and I have to take care of my body. Because, again, not getting me on.
Paano mo siya nagagawa lalo na busy schedule ka ngayon? Ang dami mong project.
I guess it's really part of my priority. Working out naman, never naman nag-stop since I was 16. So, I think, kahit ganun may COVID ako, workout.
Yeah. Ano yung mga abangan na lang sa'yo?
I think I have a series. Viva, Jenny. Hey guys, it's David Licauco and you're watching Lionheart TV.